Today's lesson is on prepositions and can be found in CS number 81. A preposition is a word that shows the relative position of something. So it kind of almost has that part of position in preposition, right? A preposition. So there are some single word prepositions and there are also some multi-word prepositions. Some of the common one-word prepositions are above, about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, down, during, for, from, in, into, near, of, off, on, onto, out, outside, over, past, since, through, to, toward, under, until, up, upon, with, and without. We also have some preposition phrases or multiple word prepositions. So, according to, along with, because of, in addition to, in back of, in front of, in spite of, instead of, in view of, next to, and prior to. This is quite an extensive list, but this will help you when you're doing your assignment. For this activity, your job is to underline each preposition in the sentence below. And you might even notice in the instruction that in is a preposition and below is a preposition. So they're telling you where the preposition is. It's in the sentence. And where's the sentence? The sentence is below. The first example, or your first question, is they played soccer in the park. So if we were to look at your list of prepositions, the only one that's on the list is in, and that tells you where they played soccer. It's in the park, not on the park, not beside the park, not under the park, not over the park, not through the park, not by the park, in the park. So for this activity, basically you're just looking at your list of prepositions and prepositional phrases and underlining in each sentence which words are prepositions. Remember to complete the Google form when you are done, and there will be an answer key posted in tomorrow's lesson so that you can go through each question and make sure you understand where the prepositions are.